Hey bike lovers, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we've got something special to talk about, the all-new 2025 Suzuki RM-Z1050. This beast is set to dominate the motocross scene with its cutting-edge features and raw power. Let's dive in. The powerhouse engine. The 2025 RM-Z1050 is equipped with a beastly 1050cc, liquid-cooled, 4H-stroke engine that's built for performance. Suzuki has upgraded its power delivery system, offering exceptional torque and smoother throttle response. Whether you're hitting jumps or powering through tight corners, this engine ensures you have all the muscle you need. Advanced suspension system. This bike comes with a fully adjustable Showa suspension system, designed to handle the toughest terrains. The front forks are plush and responsive, while the rear shock offers superb stability, giving riders confidence at high speeds or when tackling obstacles. The suspension setup ensures a smooth ride no matter how rough the track gets. Lightweight design for ultimate agility. Weighing in at just over 230 pounds, the RM-Z1050 is lighter than many of its competitors in the class. This weight reduction, paired with its nimble frame, allows for exceptional handling and cornering at high speeds. Whether you're in tight technical sections or flying through open fields, the RM-Z1050's lightweight design keeps you in control. Aggressive styling and ergonomics. The 2025 RM-Z1050 has a sleek modern design that screams aggression. From its sharp lines to the bold, eye-catching graphics, this bike looks as fast as it rides. Plus, the ergonomics are spot on. The seat, handlebars, and foot pegs are optimized for comfort and control, giving riders a perfect fit for any type of terrain. Enhanced electronics and tech. Suzuki isn't skimping on tech in 2025. The RM-Z1050 features a new digital dashboard that provides riders with all the necessary performance data, like speed, lap times, and gear position. Additionally, the bike comes with traction control and multiple power maps, so you can adjust the power delivery to suit your riding style or conditions. Durability and reliability. Suzuki's reputation for reliability is well known, and the RM-Z1050 continues this legacy. The high-strength frame and durable components are built to handle the roughest rides without sacrificing performance. Whether you're racing or simply enjoying a weekend trail ride, this bike is ready to go the distance. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z1050.A. Powerhouse in the motocross world, designed to tackle any challenge you throw at it. With its incredible power, lightweight frame, and advanced tech, it's clear that Suzuki has built a serious competitor. What do you think? Are you ready to hit the track on this beauty? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest bike reviews. Until next time, keep buzzing on two wheel.